I don't know, maybe YouTube is not promoting my video enough, or maybe they want me to pay for adverts for my video to be viewed. Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mabel. If it is your first time, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this amazing family. Click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload new video. Today's video, I'm making a face cream for blackheads and dark spots, just to eliminate or fade or clear blackheads or dark spots. So this cream is specifically formulated for that purpose. So it's more or less like it's organic. This is my organic formulated base cream. So other product I'm going to be using to add into it will make it to be Promix. So yeah, just to give that quick effect for my clients, because there are some clients that want quick results and some just want gradual process by going with the organic. So my channel is all about formulation of organic cream review, Promix and so on. So yeah, this is my knuckle. I'm just showing you, and you can see my complexion. So our product, in fact, my WhatsApp is buzzing, as in with loads and loads of orders. We've newly upgraded our product, and trust me, a trial will convince you. Just want to dive into it, and I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. It's just a face cream I'm making, and yeah, so just going to start. So I want to talk about this product. This is the Collagen Extra White. This is not that whitening. It doesn't whiten the skin as the name describes. So don't be deceived by what people say about, or review that people say about this product. The fact that it contains collagen doesn't mean you shouldn't formulate your product with collagen. My base cream is already formulated with collagen. So I just want to show you, when I checked the pH of my base cream, is between 3.5. So I'm gonna be using Allanton, and also I'm adding vitamin C. So I know the range of vitamin C ascorbic, that's what I'm using, which is this. So I'm using, you can use within the range of 10% to 15% up to maximum of 20% for you to get the effectiveness. So that I will be increasing my pH from this, which I will show you the final pH at the end of the product, or at the end of the formulation. So yeah, just got my so I'm just gonna put this base cream in here, then we start. Oh, make sure your surrounding everywhere is clean, okay? So I'm gonna pause this and put this. So I have my base cream. My base cream is formulated with it has collagen, whitening additives of alpha-butane, and also it has bearberry inside, as well as liquorite, the white one. So I'm going to add this inside. Then I'm gonna be adding my vitamin E, because this is going to be serve as my oxidant. This is a mixture of my Allanton. We know the benefit of Allanton to help with irritation, and since I'm making a face cream, we don't want any irritation. I have my vitamin C inside as well, so I'm just going to pour this in. So I'm going to add this vitamin C. You can add, make sure this is too cool, you can see. So yeah, so I'm gonna add this clear white, quick clear. I'm going by percentage, so yeah, I'm gonna leave it. Make sure you watch the video to the end. So I'm gonna leave all the measurements at the end of the video, towards the end. And I talked about this serum magic white. This is specifically formulated for blackheads, dark spots, blemishes, so it's very, very effective. Yeah, shake. This is more white, which is very, very good. This serum, I love it a lot. I use it in most of my face cream. That is the Promix one, not the organic. It's finished, so yeah. So the next one I'm going to be using is my Rapid White. My Rapid White is very good for sunburns, good for dark spot. In fact, it's very good to combat any reaction that will come, or skin irritation that will result as a result of you using harsh bleaching product. So like I said, my vitamin C, I'm gonna be upping the pH from 3.5 because I added vitamin C in it, and I added alpha butane. The pH of alpha butane is from 3.5 to 6.5 or 6. So why that of liquid white is the same thing. The bearberry alpha butane is made from bearberry. Bearberry is a natural whitening or lightening. So this is the original. I talked about this, and now also how you can spot the original in that video. I did the video yesterday. Make sure you go watch that video. You guys should share. I don't know, maybe YouTube is not promoting my video enough, or maybe they want me to pay for adverts for my video to be viewed. I don't know, because it's so discouraging seeing 20 views, 10 views, 30 views, 50 views, 70 views. It's discouraging, especially on this channel that I have that is being monetized compared to the ones that is not even monetized. It's so discouraging. Anyway, okay, it's all right. I really appreciate those viewing. Really, thank you so much. Thank you for my subscriber. My subscriber here are more. My subscriber, they are more, but the view is so low. You guys should support my channel, please. And this is the Rapid White I'm going to be using. I love the smell of this Rapid White. It's so amazing. Just one. Yeah. So lastly, I'm going to be using this lemon extract. Really, we don't really need it, but what I'll be adding now, I'm going to skip this. Yeah, so now we're going to go in by adding our extract. So one of my extract that I want to use, I love this extract a lot, is the Moonberry Extract, because I use a bearberry, something that contains bearberry. So I'm going to be using this. So make sure you know the percentage usage, please. Make your research. I'm going to leave everything that I use. This is willow bar in order to prevent any irritation. And this is my hydrolyzed protein. It depends on which you can use, so it depends. So then I'm going to be using this. I love this a lot when I'm formulating face cream for my client. it helps with any gray vein or stretch mark or any form of, it also helps to glow the skin, the face. This is Promix, not organic. And lastly, I'm going to be using my lavender. Lavender, we all know the benefit of lavender. You don't need too much of it. 8 drop. So yeah, I'm going to use 6 drop of it. Yeah. And I'm also going to be using this miracle powder as well. I've already dissolved it, so yeah. So now I'm going to blend it and come back, then check the pH. I'm going to increase the pH of this product, okay? And yeah, so I'm using my German Plus preservative. The products are added, they are already